try to get to know the locals no matter where I go. And here in the Azores, it's no different. I fish.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Somebody help me, somebody help me, I'm serious.
Set, okay.
He's big.
I travel. I experience.
Oh, we got him. Nice, Mariko.
Oh, okay, me too. I'm Mariko Izumi, and this is Hooking Up. The Azores are amazing.
Whoa! This is awesome.
Yeah, I know, I'm supposed to say that, but I'm going to prove it. Let's start with the map. Here's Boston, and here's Portugal. And in between, in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean, are 9 tiny little islands governed by Portugal. We're on the largest island, São Miguel, in the largest city, Ponta Delgada. Now here's the amazing stuff. These 9 islands are active volcanoes. And if you measure these mountains from the ocean floor, they're some of the tallest on Earth. You can swim in hot springs, visit hot bubbling mud pools, or even explore the craters. The weather is amazing. The temperature only varies about 20 degrees like San Diego. And yeah, they get a lot of rain like Vancouver, but look at these forests and these gorgeous tropical flowers. Most amazing crop on the island, tea. It's home to the oldest tea plantation in Europe. More about that later. Even the sidewalks are amazing. One of the first things I noticed when I got here to the Azores are the beautiful and intricate patterns on the sidewalks. And you know, it speaks really true to their culture. They're vibrant and creative, among other things. But actually, there was an even greater purpose. Before there were streetlights here, this is how they could tell where they were. So at night, when there were no lights, they would look down, and every street has a different pattern. And that's how they knew what street they were on. People have been fishing out of this local harbor since the 15th century. And today, it's one of the best places to come for blue marlin and all kinds of tuna. Fishing guide Sergio Mestre is going to hook me up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna go for bluefin tuna, right?
Yes, bluefin.
Now, the reason why it's a risk is because we are in the off season, and specifically today, as you can see, the weather is pretty rough.
Yeah, we have some wind from south, so the sea conditions, it's not the best one, but we have to try.
We have to try, that's just it. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna try to catch a bluefin tuna, and if we don't, we've still spent the day on the water.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Sergio gave up his day job as a draftsman 3 years ago to make a living with his passion, fishing.
I prefer a bad fishing day than a good working day.
His assistant Paulo Souza has been fishing all of his life. Okay, Sergio, what are these balloons for?
We'll put these balloons on the line.
Yeah?
First of all, we're going to drop the live bait deeper as we want. Otherwise, the live bait can go a little bit down or up, and I wanted that they stay at the level, in the same level.
I thought you were throwing me a party. Tuna are picky. They only want live bait. So, it's bait fishing first.
Okay, we can do a first attempt here to catch some chub mackerel, Atlantic chub mackerel.
Okay.
To use as a bait.
Great.
We're going to be on vertical jigging.
Yes.
So we have a school bait at 60 meters deep. So
okay, that's where we'll go. Let's do it. Oh, wow. Look at these. Sergio and Paolo, your jigs are so beautiful. What good looking jigging we're going to be doing right now. I'm being serious. Look at these. I love it. Okay, sorry, you want to go fishing. Okay, grab them.
E penso que o barco vai derivar. Tira a day.
Which side do you want me on?
That side, that side. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the boat will drift, I think the boat will drift that way.
Okay, so I'm just dropping it down?
Yeah.
Yep.
That speed, it's very, very good for the chub mackerel.
Okay.
If it was barracudas,
You have to go even faster.
Faster, yeah.
Which you're really good at and I suck at. Okay, good thing we're going for chub mackerels right now then.
chub mackerel,
Be like
something
this.
like that.
While I'm jigging my arm off here, I want to show you one of the coolest volcanic craters in the Azores.
Whoa! This is awesome!
Every island has inland, and the interior of São Miguel is stunning. We're heading to Sete Ciudades. It's a town next to a lake inside a volcanic crater. Our adventure guide, Didi Cardoso, grew up in this house and treated us to some traditional Portuguese cuisine. This to me looks like some sort of delicious fish. Oh yeah, I can smell it. I wish that we had smell-o-vision because this smells amazing. Lunch does taste as good as it smells.
You wanted to gain a few more extra kilos. You said you
Yeah, right before I go into a wetsuit. Perfect. But I'm ready to get out on the water. Now I will confess I did try this one time in my life, but it was about 6 or 7 years ago, so I don't remember a thing.
Well, it's easier to remember it fast, okay?
Okay. This lake is called Lagoa Azul. Translation, Blue Lake. It's a very special nature preserve, so no more building is allowed here. If you want to fish, you'll most likely catch crappie. Only electric motors and paddles are allowed on the lake because the residents don't like noise. But I'm sure they don't mind happy tourists. I'm in the Azores, hoping to catch bluefin tuna. Woo! I got it. Pretty sure. First,
You all right?
I have to land the bait.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. Woo. So hard because the jig itself is already so heavy. Oh yeah, it's bouncing a little bit. Yep. Woohoo! I got a bait. I hope it's the right kind of species. You know, if I'm having trouble reeling out this little bait, what's gonna happen when I try to reel in a 100-pound tuna? Oh,
Yeah.
oh,
Nice chub mackerel.
nice size, isn't it?
Yeah, nice size.
Ooh.
Nice one.
All right.
I want to be quick as I can. I don't
Yeah,
want
you
to.
want to keep them alive, right?
Yeah, open the reel, please.
Yep. Yes. Okay, that's good. That may have been my first chub mackerel. Maybe not. I've caught lots of king mackerel, Spanish
Yeah.
mackerel. Chub mackerel I'm not so familiar with, but
This is Atlantic chub mackerel,
yeah,
yeah.
I feel good with
That
that.
gives a nice fight for the size.
So I'm very easy to please. I catch a piece of bait and I'm super happy. Who cares about the tuna? I just caught a chub mackerel from the Atlantic Ocean. I mean, come on, it's fun. And there's a rainbow that's coming out in the sky right now. Azores. No matter what, always come through, even when you have some tough conditions. There's more than just mackerel in these deep waters. Because we're so far out in the Atlantic, this is also a great place for whale watching. I really love this process. I wasn't expecting this kind of boat. I mean, I've been on all sorts of tours. I've been whale watching quite a few times, but never on a boat like this, with this awesome setup right here. It's like we're on like a carnival ride, but we're going actually on the ocean. I need long arms. There we go. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Okay, so we have some dolphins up in front. I don't know the species yet. I haven't seen very well. So they're in the front left at the moment.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that was an awesome
Yeah,
jump.
it looks like a common.
Whoa!
Yeah, definitely common. Okay, everyone, so we are approaching a group of pilot whales. So this is a species that we don't see too often here in the Azores, especially in winter time. So it's a really lucky sighting.
Oh.
So the pilot whales, the males can reach up to about 7 meters in length, the females 5.5. So it's a big size difference. And the males can weigh a maximum of about 3,500 kilos. So as well as the size, we can tell the difference between the males and the females from the dorsal fin.
A new species of whale I've never even heard of before. I can't believe how much they come up to the surface. When I've been whale watching many other times, it's like they come up and then you gotta wait for like 5 to 10 minutes before they come up again. I just can't stop taking pictures, even though you're taking the same picture over and over again, but I just can't stop taking it. It's so cool looking. Oh my God, unreal, unreal. Awesome. Our guides spot another pod of dolphins, so we're heading that direction.
So in the summertime, it's quite common to see groups of 50 to a couple of hundred, or even sometimes more than 1,000 dolphins can be seen together. Sometimes we see them with different species, like Atlantic spotted dolphins that come here in the summertime. Also, the summer is the time that we see a lot of babies or calves. So they give birth mostly in the summertime. Of course, the water is warmer, so it's better for the calves.
I really just want to hug and kiss them. They're so cute. Oh, unreal. So one thing that I'm really loving about this dolphin scene is that the water is so clear and that they're not afraid of us. So they're coming up really close to the boat and you can actually look down and see them in the water. And as Miranda pointed out, it kind of gives you an extra sense of intimacy when you can see them in the water rather than just when they come to the surface, because you see them truly in their environment. I've never seen dolphins like this before. I've never seen them this up close, and I've never seen so many in such a small space. It's a really incredible place to be. I'm really starting to wonder, where has Azores been all my life? I mean, they have so much to offer. It's amazing.